is true and select the correct answer. बर्नौलीज टोटल हेड कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन जो है वो कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास से रिलेटेड है। यूलर्स जो है वो स्ट्रीम लाइन से रिलेटेड है और लैपलास इक्वेशन जो है वो पोटेंशियल फंक्शन से रिलेटेड है। बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन इज इक्वल टू टोटल हेड एनर्जी पी बाई रो जी प्लस बी स्क्वायर बाई टू जी प्लस जेड इज इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टेंट। कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन यानी कि क्यू इज इक्वल टू ए इंटू वी एरिया इंटू वेलोसिटी इज इक्वल टू कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास यानी कि रो इंटू वी वन इंटू ए वन इज इक्वल टू रो वन इंटू वी टू इंटू ए टू। तो यहाँ पे फिर उसके बाद हो जाएगा यूलर इक्वेशन स्ट्रीम लाइन से और लैपलास इक्वेशन पोटेंशियल फंक्शन से। कर्ल स्क्वायर फाइव बाई कर्ल एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस कर्ल स्क्वायर फाइव बाई कर्ल वाई स्क्वायर प्लस कर्ल स्क्वायर फाइव बाई कर्ल जेड स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू जीरो। Consider the following. The correct answer is 2 and 4. It means flow of water over a long wire and the flow of exhaust gas. Flow of water over a long wire and flow of air in tornado could be the molded in inviscid flow, whereas the developed flow in a pipe. Flow in a long straight canal, the flow of exhausted gas existing in rock, the flow of blood in an artery, and flow of air around the bullet could be molded in viscid flow. Select the false statement for Bernoulli's equation. And the correct answer is it cannot be applied to an unsteady it can be applied to an unsteady flow। ये गलत है, ये सिर्फ स्टेडी फ्लो के लिए ही अप्लाई किया जा सकता है। Bernoulli's equation can be applied to an internal coordinate system in a viscid flow between the 2 points along the streamline and incompressible fluid because the in viscid flow mm, the viscosity is zero and hence no viscous force act on the body. Also incompressible flow means the density remain constant, whereas this equation is cannot be applied to the unsteady flow. Rotational flow cannot be applied to unsteady flow, rotational flow, and inside the boundary layer of fluid. Bernoulli's equation can be taken from P1 by rho g plus V square by 2g plus Z1 is equal to P2 by rho g plus V square V2 का square by 2g plus Z2. Venturimeter is generally used to measure the rate of flow of water. A venturimeter is generally used to measure the rate of flow of water. Euler's equation in the differential form can be expressed as where dp is the pressure, rho is the density of the fluid, v is the velocity, and dz is the differential head, g is the gravitational acceleration यानी कि dp by rho is equal to v dv v dv plus g dz is equal to 0. According to the Euler equation of motion, this is the equation of motion in which the force due to the gravity and pressure are taken into consideration. This is derived by consider the motion of a fluid element along a streamline as dp by rho plus g dz plus v dv is equal to 0. Bernoulli's equation is obtained by the integration of the Euler's equation of motion and assume the fluid is incompressible. Pitot tube is used to measure the Pitot tube is used to measure the velocity of the fluid. Pitot tube can be used to measure the fluid flow velocity and dynamic pressure difference. A pitot tube is a measuring velocity of fluid. A pitot tube is based on principle of conservation of kinetic head into pressure head. The point at which the velocity reduces zero is called a stagnation point. The velocity head is indicated by the difference in liquid level between the pitot tube and the piezometer. The pitot tube measures the total head and therefore known as the total head tube. Bernoulli's equation is not applicable for flow with work transformation. Bernoulli's equation assumption steady flow, पहला तो स्टेडी फ्लो, नॉन कंप्रेसिबल, इन विस्कस फ्लो, इरोटेशनल फ्लो और फ्रिक्शनलेस फ्लो. सो बर्नौली इक्वेशन इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल फॉर फ्लो विद द वर्क ट्रांसफॉर्म. Consider the following statement. Correct. In a given duct system, the total pressure drop varies in a parabolic manner with flow rate. For a given flow rate, the total pressure drop of a duct is less when the air filter are new. In a given duct system, the total pressure drop varies in a parabolic manner with flow rate. For a given flow rate, the total pressure drop of a duct is less when the air filter are new. In a forced vortex, the fluid rotates any relative velocity. In a forced vortex, Vr is directly proportional to the R and the fluid rotates without relative velocity. Fluid rotates any relative velocity. All the terms of energy in Bernoulli's equation have dimension of to length. All the term of the Bernoulli's equation have the dimension of length. P by rho g plus v square by 2g plus z is equal to constant P by rho g, यानी कि इसका हो जाता है न्यूटन मीटर बाई न्यूटन, यानी कि न्यूटन न्यूटन कैंसिल मीटर ही हुआ. वी स्क्वायर बाई 2g यानी कि काइनेटिक एनर्जी पर यूनिट वेट. तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी पर यूनिट वेट को आप हम लिख सकते हैं क्या, न्यूटन मीटर बाई न्यूटन. न्यूटन न्यूटन कैंसिल अगेन मीटर हो जाएगा. और जेड जेड इज रिप्रेजेंट टू द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी पर यूनिट वेट. तो यहाँ पे न्यूटन मीटर पर न्यूटन, यानी कि ये हो जाएगा आपका, ये भी मीटर हो जाएगा. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिवाइस हैविंग द वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल बेस्ड ऑन बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन. तो वेंचुरी, तो ऑल ऑफ द अबव. Venturi meter, Pitot and orsify all of these above having working principle based on the Bernoulli's equation. Coefficient of contraction of the nozzle Cc is equal to Cc is equal to Cd by Cv. Coefficient discharge by coefficient velocity, यानी कि coefficient contraction is equal to coefficient discharge by coefficient velocity. आप इसको ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं, coefficient discharge is equal to coefficient contraction by coefficient velocity into coefficient velocity होता है. Thank you.